So this video is going to show you how you can have command blocks have words that pop up. So it could be a word, or let's see, I think it's this one. It has a whole sentence. So the first thing you want to do is get a command block. And a command block are these little tan ones. They have arrows or squares on them. But if we go to our inventory and type in command for a command block, nothing comes up because it's not just something you have in your inventory. You actually have to give it to yourself. So I'm going to get rid of my command blocks. And this is how you give yourself a command block. First thing you're going to do is open up your slash commands. So you're just going to hit that slash key to open up this. So it's that key that you're going to hit on your keyboard. And then basically you're going to just say give. And then you want it for yourself. Let's do this so we can see this a little bit better. So we're going to say yourself, so at s. So at s, oops. Here we go, at s. We're going to give ourselves, and then we can start writing command. And as you see it pop up, you can just hit the tab key, and it will put that first one in there. And then you can hit the tab key again, and it'll just keep going down the list through all of them. So each time you do it, it'll pull up the next one. But we just want the command block. So once we have it, then we can just hit this little play or execute. And you'll notice in my inventory, I've got a command block. So to make that command block work, you know what, let's move over here. I'm going to dig a hole, put the command block in it. Now, I'm going to right click on that command block, and it's going to open it up. Now on this left side, it's really how the command block interacts with each other, and it needs an impulse, so we're going to be putting something with that to activate it. But over here is where I'm going to put that command input. Now, if there was a lot you wanted to say, you can open it up and write it in a big area, but we're going to keep it small. So we're going to do another little slash that says title, because it's going to be a title that pops up. And then we're going to do at. This time we're going to do P, because the nearest player, so anyone that walks on this and presses that that pressure plate will see this message. And then we're just going to say title, and it could be whatever we want it to be. So we'll just say hello, and then we'll leave that. So if I could put a button on it. I could put a lever on it to activate it. I could put a pressure plate on it to activate it. I like pressure plates because they allow you to just walk around and see the things. Now, to put a pressure plate down, you right click to press it down. But if you were to put that pressure plate on here and you right click, it always opens this up. So in order to put something directly on a command block, you have to hold your shift key. And you'll notice my character in the top left corner squats. Shift is also for squatting. But if I hold that shift key and then right click it, I'm able to put it onto the command block. Now, when I walk onto the command block, I will see whatever I typed in there, and it will just stay for a few seconds so that it's long enough for you to read it. But that is how you give yourself a command block. That's how you write the code for it to pop up for that, and how to put a pressure plate onto that.